Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to lock the hidden photos folder in your iPhone. So here is all of my secrets. Oh my god, not that thumbnail, don't want that to be brought to the general public. Look at this serial number. So in order to lock the hidden folders folder, we actually have to lock the entire Photos app. So that may sound a bit inconvenient, however you can thank Apple for that. Okay, so the first step is we have to open up the clock app. Yes, the clock app. We're then going to tap on timer, and we're going to find when timer ends. We'll tap on this one. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see stop playing. Tap on stop playing, then tap on set. Now we need to open up the shortcuts app. If you do not have the shortcuts app, it is a free download from the App Store. However, it comes built in to your iPhone by default. Then find automation. If this isn't available, you will need to update to the latest version of iOS. There should be an option which says create personal automation. So if I delete this, just tap on create personal automation. If you don't see this option, just tap on the plus at the top right. From here, we're going to scroll all the way down and we see app. Just tap on app and we're going to tap on choose and then search for photos. You can select as many apps as you would like to lock as well. So maybe you want to lock your Instagram, stuff like that. We're then going to tap on done and next. I'm going to tap on add action and we're going to search for timer, and you'll see here start timer. Tap on this one and it's going to say start timer 4. Tap on the empty space, type in 1, and where it says minutes, tap seconds, so it says start timer for 1 second. Then tap on next. Very important, you turn off ask before running, don't ask, then tap on done. Now, when I go to the Photos app, it's going to wait a second and it's going to lock my iPhone. Okay, so I need Face ID or the passcode in order to regain access to the Photos app, right? So let's say someone gets access to your iPhone, maybe it was left unlocked, they open up the Photos app, they want to find the hidden, and they're locked out of the iPhone, okay? And seriously, you do need the Face ID or the passcode in order to use the iPhone again, in order to find any hidden photos. So it is not the 100% bulletproof solution, okay? But at the end of the day, the user who is trying to access your hidden photos are not going to be access them anymore. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.